From the first of the second month of 1439, in my Angelology upon Tarot of the Dead by Monica Knighton, I wrote Unboxing Tarot of the Dead by Monica Knighton, Tarot de los Meurtos. My messages with Monica Knighton's Tarot of the Dead will be an attempt to teach through its specifics and its manual. I will also use Sefer Rezial Hemloach, the Book of Angel Rezial, edited and translated by Steve Savedo. Flower and Tree Magic, Discover the Natural Enchantment Around You by Richard Webster. Richard Webster's Encyclopedia of Angels. Encyclopedia of Superstitions by Richard Webster. The Shem Hamaphorash, other grimoires, and what comes to mind of the world scriptures. We'll see some of their angelology among my readings. With this deck, I may also convey a mystical experience through my messages that are arranged upon this randomizing symbolic platform. The two extra cards of the Tarot of the Dead by Monica Knighton are the same, but one is English and the other is Spanish for the pyramid spread with 8 cards. If the yellow and pink diamond are at the top corners of the skulls with roses, of the skulls and roses design on the back, the card is upright. The card will be upside down if a blue and purple diamond at the corners of the design is away from you. I drew the cards entitled 2 Coffins Reversed, 4 Coffins Reversed, 2 Pins Reversed, 5 Pistols, Queen of Coffins, Knight of Reels Reversed, 3 Pins Reversed, 4 Pins Reversed, 2 Reels Reversed, Queen of Reels, 3 Coffins, Knight of Pins Reversed, 8 Pistols, 3 Reels, 5 Pins Reversed, 6 Pins Reversed, 7 Pins Reversed, 0 The Fool Reversed, 9 Pistols, 10 Pistols, Page of Pistols, Ace of Reels, 10 Reels Reversed, Page of Reels Reversed, Queen of Pistols Reversed, 3 Pistols, 4 Pistols, Ace of Pins Reversed, 4 Reels, 5 Reels, 8 Pins Reversed, 9 pins reversed, 10 pins reversed, page of pins, 5 coffins reversed, 6 coffins reversed, 9 coffins, 6 reels, 11 strength, 10 the Wheel of Fortune, 9 the Hermit, 7 coffins reversed, 12 the Hanged Man reversed, 8 Justice, 8 coffins reversed, 10 coffins, Page of Coffins, 7 reels, 6 the Lovers, 8 reels, 9 reels, King of Reels, 7 the Chariot, 1 the Magician, King of Pins, and with 21 the World reversed, we break to encounter its message, because it is my favorite of the Tarot de los Muertos. The laurels open above her with Chaledial, age, world, time of God, is the angel over earth. There. Cathetial, close, shut, stop, skip, take out, of God, is the angel over Saturn. It's below her headscarf instead of her hair. The ribbon blows left, between the skulls of a lion and a bird of prey, while she breaks between playing her violin. We all join and release of God. Yaha all, God is a strong leader. Su all, horse, rejoice on the ladder. Sui Yasal, bushes coming into action of God. Kashenyaya, like a second window of God. And Su'al, compel joining of God. Pashial, excess shared of God. Ayal, place of God. Thual, cast to store of God. Gial, going of God. Ka'al, tame in sight of God. Ayal, gnosis of God, are the angels of the houses of Virgo, through Leo, that are there in the clouds, despite her fears and stagnation. Develop and gain depth before your form is naught but a human skull, so you can win the head of a bull and know change, and the unknown does not have to be a sin. The messages continue to connect to 20, Judgment reversed. 19, the Sun reversed. 18, the Moon reversed. 17, the Star. 16, the Tower. 15, the Devil reversed. 14, Temperance reversed. Ace of Pistols. 2 of Pistols. 5, the Hierophant reversed. 4, the Emperor reversed. 13, unnamed, reversed. 3, the Empress reversed. 2, High Priestess reversed. King of Coffins reversed. Knight of Pistols. 6 pistols. And 7 of Pistols. What will the placements and free associations bring in the future?